Hello everyone, welcome on the channel. Guys, today we are going to discuss angle between lines in detail. Make sure to watch the video till end and make sure you subscribe and like this video, and most importantly you check the description box because there are many links which are useful for you. The very first link is of test series, but in this test series which costs you 3500, it's not just test series, you can also get the free access to complete year classroom program which you can join. So basically in 3500 you will get 1200 tests including 40,000 questions of all three subjects plus 1 year classroom program for mathematics. So most welcome if you want to learn. Second links we are having for all the important books which you need to buy for JEE Mains Advanced, and the third is your Telegram link through which you can connect to me. And if you wanted to have more inquiry regarding the enrollment for the test series, you can WhatsApp me on 807-867-6186. Make sure you first drop a message, and if needed we will have a call. Alright, so let's start. So we are going to discuss angle between two lines in detail, and guys, before this video I have also launched one video which where I have described the different forms of line. It's a very important video and make sure you watch this. Now I will draw two lines. All right. Okay. So here we are having two lines. Now let's say first line is making an angle theta 1. Okay. So what is the slope of first line? Slope of first line is m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Second, let's say second line is making theta 2 with a positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. That's how. Okay, positive direction of x-axis and anti-clockwise sense. That's how we should measure our theta, the angle of line which is used to calculate the slope. So slope is tan of slope is equal to tan of theta. Theta is angle measured along positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. Alright. Now what is the angle between both of them? It's theta 2 minus theta 1. Okay. So angle between both the lines is we have calculated, but we will not calculate the angle. We will calculate tan of the angle. So what is tan theta 2 minus theta 1? Now guys, here we will apply the formula from the trigonometry. What is tan A minus B? So if you do not know the formula, make sure you brush up your concepts from trigonometry. If not, don't worry, have patience, I will be launching a video. So tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 upon tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. Now what is tan theta 1? It's m1. Similarly, what is m2? Slope of the second line. This is line number 1, this is line number 2. This is tan theta 2. If you are having any kind of doubt, any kind of confusion, you are having two choices. Either you comment whatever your doubt is, or you post your doubt on Telegram, or if you want to discuss, then we are having the enrollment program which I have discussed already. Okay. Now let's call theta 2 minus theta 1 as theta. Let's simplify. So I am writing theta 2 minus theta 1 as theta. Okay. So what exactly this is? m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now this is not what exactly you will see in your textbook. All in your book you will see there is a mod sign. So let's understand why we are having a mod sign. So when two lines intersect, there are two angles which they will form. Let's say one angle is theta, so other angle is 180 minus theta or pi minus theta. One of which is acute and other is going to be obtuse. Okay. Now here we are taking an assumption that theta is acute. Alright. Or let's suppose, now since theta is acute means it's 0 to 90 degrees. So we are interested only in an angle which is from 0 to 90 degree. Okay, but on the right hand side part, this is m2 minus m1, 1 plus m1, m2. We are not sure it is going to be positive or negative. So for safer side, we are applying the mod. After applying the mod, we are getting theta as an acute angle. But remember, two lines will make two angles. One is theta, one is pi minus theta. This part is clear. Now after this is not the end of this discussion, angle between two lines. Now you have to go a step ahead, and now we have to think, what if both the lines are not intersecting? What if both the lines are parallel? Okay. Now again, if both lines are parallel, they are making two angles, either 0 degree or 180 degree, it doesn't matter. But we are more interested in the acute angle part. So case number 1, if lines are parallel, see, angle is 180 or 0 degree will matter in case of 3D geometry or in vector. But in 2D geometry, that's what we are studying right now. Here it doesn't matter. Okay, so tan 0 degree. What is 0 degree? 0 degree is the angle between two lines. So angle between two parallel lines is 0 degree. And what is tan 0 degree, guys? It's 0. Is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Now basic maths, if p by q is equal to 0, then numerator has to be 0. Okay, so from here we can say therefore m2 minus m1 is 0, or we can say m1 is equal to m2. So if two lines are parallel, clearly means their slope is same. Okay, slope is same. So two parallel lines have same slope. Now, but this is not that important. It's important, but more important is angle between two lines. So more important is when two lines are perpendicular. So we are having perpendicular lines. Okay, this is a symbol that we use for perpendicular. So when two lines are perpendicular, then what will happen? Okay, when two lines are perpendicular, now tan 90 degree. Okay, now perpendicular means 90 degree. How does it look like? Like this. Now tan 90 degree is equal to same m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Now what exactly is tan 90? Sin 90 upon cos 90. What is sin 90? 1. What is cos 90? It's 0. So now m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So what we can conclude from here? We can conclude from here the denominator is 0. So therefore we can say, compare. Therefore we can say, or you can just cross multiply over here, though we cannot do so, but still if you use basic layman maths, so cross multiply and you will have 1 plus m1 m2 come out to be 0. Okay. Now over here what we will have, m1 m2 is equals to minus 1, and it's a very important. We will use this again and again in tangent normal in the chapter circle also. So when two lines are perpendicular, multiplication of their slope is minus 1. Alright. So that's all in this topic. Let me know if you need to learn anything in this topic. Now in the next session we will be having discussion over the distance between 2 points, distance between two lines, distance between a point and line, and by using the distance formula we will be also deriving the equation of angle bisector. So that's all, guys. See you all in the next video. I hope you really love this video. Make sure to comment and make sure to check the description box, subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's meet in the next video.